place to store our winter jackets under our bed so that everything could just stay tucked away. These are our bulky, really large ones. There's some things I'm really enjoying about this underbed storage. It is 6 by 25 by 31. It fits fine. This is a king bed, so it's basically 2 twins. So even if you have a twin size bed, it'll fit under it as long as you have 6 inches of clearance. I do like it has these labels if you want it, since I have multiple, and it does have handles on both sides. So depending on how you want to put it in the bed, you can. I like that it's a clear lid. That means I don't have to open everything if I just want to double check and see what's inside. The zippers work great for me. And as you can see here, I've stored 6 large, pretty significant poofy winter jackets, no problem. So I feel like it's ample storage. The one thing I would say, if you want to access this every day, it slides okay on the carpet, but there are some models that are like really sturdy with wheels. So I think if you needed to get access to this day in, day out, this may not be a solution. But if you want to actually just store things and then access them, I have no issues with the durability. The handles seem fine. You do add a cardboard base to the bottom to help stabilize it. It's a cloth covered as well, and that really helps add the fullness and some more just sturdiness to it. And this is how it arrives when it, comes packaged in the box. So super easy to assemble, like literally 30 seconds. But overall, I would say this thing is holding up well. It's doing exactly what I wanted it to. The stitching looks well made. I love that it's kind of a good combination of capacity and structure. And then if I don't need it, like in the winter time, I can simply fold it flat and store it flat under the bed to give me more space for something else as well. So I feel like it's a great solution for storing things, and it's a great solution to store and flat pack and not take up a lot of space when I don't need it. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.